Hey there, gaming enthusiasts and Xbox fans. Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we've got something that's bound to get your heart racing, the unboxing of the brand new Xbox console. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be taking a first look at Microsoft's latest gaming powerhouse. Whether you're an Xbox aficionado, a gaming connoisseur, or just curious about the future of gaming tech, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss this epic unboxing of the new Xbox console. Section 1. Introduction to the new Xbox console. To kick things off, we're going to introduce the latest Xbox console, sharing some insights into what makes it so special. We'll also touch on the significance of this release and how it fits into the evolving world of gaming. Section 2. The unboxing experience. It's finally time for the big reveal. We'll unbox the Xbox console and showcase the packaging and presentation. Get ready for the exciting part. We'll reveal all the components and accessories that come with the new Xbox console. Section 3. Design and build quality. We'll take a closer look at the design of the console, exploring its aesthetics and build quality. We'll discuss the console's ergonomics and highlight any unique features that stand out. Section 4. Connectivity and ports. We'll explore the connectivity options and port configuration of the new Xbox, discussing the potential for various peripherals. We'll also touch on backward compatibility, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite older games on the new console. Section 5. Controller and accessories. It's not just the console. We'll take a close look at the new controller, exploring any design changes and improvements. We'll highlight any included accessories and discuss their significance in enhancing your gaming experience. Section 6. Power and performance. We'll discuss the hardware power of the new Xbox, emphasizing its potential for delivering high-quality gaming experiences. Dive into the performance expectations and the kind of gaming experiences you can look forward to. Section 7. The gaming ecosystem. We'll talk about the extensive game library available for the Xbox, from exclusives to third-party titles. Explore the seamless integration with Xbox Live and the multiplayer and social features it brings. In conclusion, the unboxing of the new Xbox console is an exciting experience, and it marks a significant step in the world of gaming tech. It's a glimpse into the future of gaming that has us all eagerly anticipating what's to come. If you found this unboxing as thrilling as we did and can't wait to get your hands on the new Xbox, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your gaming buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more exciting tech-related content.